Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome to today's SLP update for Friday. And right now on the daily time frame, we still haven't met the technical targets. It seems like the market is about to move and this and that, but I highly doubt, I really highly doubt, because by the end of the day you have 15 hours or nearly 16 hours to basically close this candlestick today on a Friday. Okay, my take still remains that SLP is looking to come down to 269. Okay, that's what my take really is, because by the end of the day, the only way to invalidate this pattern is to come up to 396. When you cross the 396 level, I'm going to be on the side of invalidating the drop to the downside as well. So as long as you're not invalidating a pattern, you have to stick to the plan. The plan is simple. You went to the downside, you made a bear flag, sideways movements, and then you broke out of the bear flag here. Even if you will go back up, it will be a retest of the bear flag, and then you boom, you could still continue to the downside. The downtrend is still there. It's heavy and it's a bad downtrend. Okay, the only thing that I wanted to point out is today's candlestick somehow, and you could even see that today you can end up making a bullish harami candlestick. So let's talk about this one. Bullish harami candlestick pattern, just like that, and it looks something like this one. Which one can I show you guys? We just need a very cool example. Probably this is going to be good. So here we are, and when you move to the downside, you can already see that red candle, a green candle next to it. Okay, so red candle, a green candle next to it a little bit, and then a upward trend can happen by tomorrow, but it will be a little bit pushed to the upside and then boom, go to the downside. The EMAs can actually tell us the story. So you can already see that the 10 EMA is really overextended. So the higher you will go probably is retest the bear flag, and that's where the 10 EMA also is, even if you were to go to the upside. And I have my doubts that you would come here and get rejected. But if you anyhow break the flag, break the 10 EMA, then you're looking for that 20 EMA, and the down view gets cancelled. It's simple as that. Once you break resistance, you actually cancel the view to the downside. Now it's all about breaking resistance. As long as you're not doing that, the logical explanation is that this is a technical target you're looking for SLP right now, and you're making a little bit of move to the upside. There's a little bit of a trend line going on here, so I'm going to show you that trend line. You could still be looking for a ascending triangle somehow. If you do make that ascending triangle, boom, amazing, then you're looking for that break to the upside. Okay, it could still end up being an ascending triangle, but we're going to talk about the future. Right now there's a huge suspense mystery. This ascending triangle is not even confirmed right now. So today's candlestick, maybe we still need like 2, 3, 4 more days to actually see where we're going to be headed into the future as well. And that's it for today's update. Hope you enjoyed this one, and I'm going to see you with the next one. Allah Hafiz.